Hello everyone. So this video started a little bit out of focus. I'm still trying to learn how to use this camera lens, so please bear with me. I am just filling in my drawing on my brows using my Anko pencil, and everybody asked me where the Anko pencil from. Good at the shop. You see how the back blurred a while ago, but then it came back. Oh, I don't know. I'm still working, figuring this lens out, Jonathan. So I'm just drawing on my brows. Yeah. Sir. Yeah, I'm not feeling my brows. So to do my brows, I'm using my Ruby Kisses level 11, and I believe it's a concealer duo or a foundation duo, but I think it's a concealer duo, or I don't know. But I'm using, excuse me, level 11, and I'm using the, oh, excuse me, oh my god, excuse me, I'm using, what is this? The angle brush from our POMI in Paradise set. That's what I'm using. Oh, I can't stop doing it. I can't stop working. Okay, so for my, okay, so this is kind of in focus right now. I'm still figuring it out. So for my primer, I'm using, I think it's called the Rimmel, it's a Rimmel London primer, and it's white, and this primer is, this ain't no joke. You can't use this primer with a mattifying foundation. It will just tug on your skin because it really does mattify the face. I want to do some reviews. Let me know if you guys want me to do any reviews on any products that you guys see me using. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. Just applying some primer. So for the foundation I'm using, this is the L'Oreal True Match, and this is in N9. I don't know how I feel about those foundation. The first time I used it, it settled into my lines, and I've never had a foundation to settle in my lines before, which is why I stick mostly to cream foundations like Black Opal and Iman. But my L'Oreal matte foundation, it doesn't do me that, so I don't know. But this L'Oreal True Match is my second time wearing it, and for the second time wearing it, it wore better, but I did add a lot to it. The first time I wear it, I didn't put any primer underneath. No, I was wearing primer, so I don't know. I was wearing this primer too, but this wearability is really good, and as you will see, at the end, it really photographs well. So I'm putting this all over my face. Kiss me. Kiss me. Yeah, like kiss me, you know. Now you see my background blurred the way I want it to come through. Okay, so now I'm putting on my LA Pro Conceal, and this is in Fun. I'll take off a piece of ear off of my beauty blender. Then I'll be blending this out with my beauty blender. And yes, I used a lot just now. You don't need that much Pro Conceal whenever you're, ouch, bro, whenever you're highlighting, because really with this product a little does go a long way. Ouch. But because my foundation was so gosh darn red and it looks so uneven, like watching back the clip, it looks very uneven, or maybe the lights, I don't know, it looks uneven to me. Let me know in the description bar if it looks uneven to you. But yeah, so I'm ouch, Jesus Christ is Lord. Jonathan, that pull from the root. Don't touch it on my head. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Alright, so I'm just blending this. He's pulling on my hair. So to set my under eye, I'm using It's Your Face Cosmetics Photochromatic Pressed Powder in Spiced Rum. Remember, I used to use this back in the day, boy. Back in the day. And somebody had said, Black Opal is the only foundation I use. I'm going to say, Gwe. I joke, I didn't respond, but that really prompted me to start using up all the makeup I have in my collection, which if you want me to do a makeup collection video, I lie, I probably won't film it because I'm kind of embarrassed by my collection because it's not as vast as other YouTubers, but if you guys want to see it, you know, get little encouragement also, then let me know and I'll definitely get that out for you. Spiced rum used to be my thing for highlighting. I don't know why I stopped. Look at that. I love it. It's just bam bubble. Y'all. Now this is something you have never seen me use. This is a Black Opal Mineral Radiance powder foundation, and bruh, I'm looking at the bottom of it right now and it just, oh, it's in dark. It says Mineral Brilliance Foundation dark. Yeah, Mineral Brilliance Foundation dark. So that's what I'm applying all over, and I was like, okay. Okay, I see you, boo. I like how it looks, but it doesn't give me the warmth. You see how it's removing the warmth from my face? You see that? Like my face was red, but no, it's not. It's, you know, no longer warm. So I like that, but I don't know. It doesn't give me that glow. You know, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. You see that? How it just completely takes down the redness. You see? It just completely takes down the redness from the foundation. Sure, it looks like I have a beard, but it's a cute beard though. So to go all over my face again, I'm using NW45 from MAC. StudiFix NW45, yes, StudiFix NW45. I'm just going over everywhere that I place the Black Opal Mineral Powder Foundation in dark, to kind of get rid of it a little bit. You see, just kind of evening it out a bit. I like that. Then I'm using my Inglot eyeshadow, sorry. And this color is in, oh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. I'm getting it. Yeah, so this Inglot eyeshadow is in 353, and I'm placing that on my brow bone and down the bridge of my nose. So I think from here on out it's self-explanatory. I'm using my Smoked Cocoa eyeshadow quad, and this is from the Riri Loves MAC collection. It came out, I think, a year ago or a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, I don't know. But I think it's just self-explanatory from this point out. All the brushes I'm using, every single one, are from my brush line, POMI By Lyric. So I can go to pomibylyric.com to shop our new collection. If it's not up yet, join the newsletter, because the people on the newsletter get to pre-order, and we don't have a lot of stock coming in. So in the pre-order, when we do have the stock available, yours will be sent first, so you won't be left out in the cold, as most of you are, not most, as some of you are with the previous collection, because some of you keep on writing and saying, yo, I didn't get this, I didn't get that. I'm like, bro, we are sold out, bubble. So I don't know how you gonna get it down. So join the news. Watcha, sir. So for this step, it's pretty self-explanatory as well, but I'm just going to tell you the products that I'm using. I'm using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, and I'm using Radiant Light, and Oh, I don't reach there yet because I speed it up. Then I'm using my Sleek blush, and this blush is in rose gold, and I'm like, okay, I see you, rose gold, boo boo. I'll see you. I'll see you, boo. I'll see you. I'll see you. I'll see you. Then I am going to be using my Elf Turks and Caicos duo blush and bronzer duo, I think it's called. Let me see. It's called contouring blush and bronzer. So yeah, so that's what I'm using to low light my face, to slim down a little bit, get some definition going there. Oh, and in my crease I used a blush from Inglot. Yeah, if you look at my crease, you see like a little red thingy. I used the blush number 63 from Inglot to apply that in my crease. And on my lips, I am wearing Saint Germain, and I lined my lips with Miss Collige number 202 lip liner. So that's everything that I use. So let's get all posy and stuff. But that's it for this makeup tutorial, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're on our road to 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I know we can make it happen. If you have any questions, comments, any concerns, please leave them in the description box below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video as well. Remember, road to 500,000. We're currently at 146,000. Girl, what are you looking for? We're currently at 146,000 right now, so yeah, we can totally do it. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Jonathan needs me, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys. From this year, blood cleanse. Whoa, everybody, new to our good girl, goody, Ray. So, you know, your phrases and bruh, new to our bruh, good girl, blood cleanse, not a blood cleanse, to blood cleanse, must have blood cleanse, man. Those are my phrases.